guys, welcome back to Ravy's Wild Wide World. I'm not showing my face today because I don't feel comfortable for it today because, yeah, some story kind of happened. Anyways, I borrowed this book called I Am Pusheen the Cat. I'll show you that later. First, I want to show you how I packed this thing. First, we need to go on the table because it's very easy. Okay, so basically on how I set it up is nice. So first we got this Pusheen the cat, like turquoise. She's saying hi. Turquoise phone wallet. It's so nice. And let me show you how I pack this. Then I have eat dessert, and I can't read these fancy writing things. Look, he's eating so much food. I'll give you time to look at it. And we're gonna open it from here. Oh my goodness. We have another one. It's Snack Attack. Look on how much he's eating. So pause the video if you can't see them. And we got this one. Yum. He's eating some yummy food. Inside we got this Pusheen the cat little squishy. It's so nice when you squish it. I love it when you squish it because it's just so nice. He's eating a donut too, and you can put this on your bag and squish it as a little fidget too. Fidget. Ah. This is how we pack it up. I get this pink box because it's the smallest. Put this in. Then I put that small yum lid on it. Then I put it in the blue one. Then I'm gonna get this Snack Attack little lid. Then I'm gonna put it in this big pink one. And I'm gonna put the lid on it, which is eat dessert and a fancy writing, which I don't know how to read. And this on it. Oh my god. Now guys, let me show you that code book. What are you doing here? I didn't want you. So this is my little green mushroom from Mario. We found it in Belton's Hotel's little couch. I'm sorry if this was from Party Bag. Lucas let me have this. Here's the bubbles. We both went to Belton's Hotel. We played on the playgrounds and it was so fun. Okay. Now I'm gonna read you I Am Pusheen the Cat book. I got this from Lincoln Library. By the way, it's by Claire Belton. This is my most favorite book ever. So we're gonna start reading this. And also, I really recommend this book if you ever go to a library. Get this book. I really recommend it. It's so funny. There's even this .com thing. I know I made a shorts about this, but I'm just gonna. So let me find that .com thing. So it's pusheen.com thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna start reading this book, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this book. I Am Pusheen the Cat by Claire Belton. Oh my god, Pusheen the cat is like everywhere. What are you trying to do, little Pusheen? You're so naughty. That is Stormy and that is Pusheen. I am Pusheen the cat. Now I'm gonna skip to that really good part. So I'm just gonna skip to that part. Okay. Oh goodness. Okay. Part 1. I am Pusheen the cat. Name, Pusheen. Birthday, February 18. Sex, female. Best feature, my toe beans. What's a toe bean, guys? Where I live, in the house. Hobbies, blogging, sleeping, favorite food, all of them. Favorite word, meow. Dream to make friends all over the world. So this is little cute Pusheen. She's so cute. I love, especially love that blue line, that red line page. It's just so nice. Yeah. Things that I love. Let's read that. Things that I love. Music, friends, sleep, internet, family, and food. My petting chart. Okay, so pink is yes, please. Yellow is okay, and purple is I will bite you. So I'm pretty sure if we touch on those parts, like if we touch on the purple part here, it's gonna bite you. If we touch on yellow parts, he might bite you. He's like maybe yes please. If we touch this, he's gonna be like yes please. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think about on my show if it has comments on it. My perfect weekend. Oh my goodness, this camera is so weird. My perfect weekend. Eat everything, sleep, chill with friends. I don't, and you know, I'm trying to do all of this, and this book is really creative. So Claire Belton is the big shout out today because it's author. Party, blog, my weekend plans. I thought you just told me. He eats like donuts and plays games. He's so lazy. Pusheen's Guide to According Tree. Sorry guys, I'm not the best reader in the world, so in the universe, I don't know how to read so good. So if I don't read correctly, just you know, it's okay. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. Kiss the joint. 2. Consume the target. 3. Destroy the evidence. 4. No remorse. Sorry guys, I can't read correctly. Pusheen's Guide to Being Friendly. Not friendly, kind of friendly, friendly to friendly. It's like literally covering up the mouse. See, that pink is like its little tail. Pusheen's Guide to Sleeping Position. The beach whale, the roast turkey, the superhero, the horizontal zombie. It's like literally drooling on a horizontal zombie, by the way. If I were tiny, I would get green with a toothbrush, play with thread, bathe in a teacup, and sleep on marshmallow. He's gonna be too small. You know, how about he eats you on the marshmallow? Anyways, Claire Belton is like so good. Now cats with giant beach clothes. Yum! This car is delicious. Excuse me, we are not chocolate. This looks so nice, right? Oh my god, what is happening? Is there an earthquake or something? Scare the birds away. Oh my god. The biggest animal on earth is not the big blue whale. It's Pusheen the cat. Ooh, yeah, found a good tree. Pusheen's Guide to Being Lazy. Kind of lazy. Oh goodness. Very lazy, super lazy, so lazy, can't move. Oh, Pusheen the cat, what you doing there? Literally backwards. By the way, so trying to join this at home, so you can always pause the video and start joining these. 5. Pusheen games. 1. Lick code things. Ice, window, door. Make sure you can always pause it if you ever want to draw something or you have not stolen it. 2. Sleep inconveniently. On remote, on keyboard, on children, can't move. You're like really numbed or something. Are you so numb or something, kid? Like if you think this kid is a ghost. 3. Yodeling at 2 a.m. My goodness, okay. He's like, so, okay, stop it. Please hang the cat. Yeah, he has really bad yodeling, just gonna say. So I'm not the good yodeling person. Hello, Pusheen the cat. Where's my stormy sister? Okay. Contortionist. Oh, yeah, disco paste. Yummy-os are so good. What am I doing here again? 5 3-meter dash. Like, I don't know what's happening to you, but you're so crazy. Sorry for me zooming in too much. You're like so crazy. Yeah. I like to drink with a straw. And I pretend I'm a tiny elephant. Oh my goodness, so that's like the straw. It's so cute of his imaginations. I love Snuggles. He's so cute, I can't like send him. Part 11. Things you should know about good cats. So, cats. Understanding your cat's emotion, happiness. I've eaten recently. Sorry guys. Sadness. I want more food. Okay, let's go see his other emotions. Anger, give me more food. Curiosity. What is the food? Contentment. I eat all the food. Fear. Will there be more? I don't know if you should the cat. Stop zooming into me. Things that cats kind of look like. Cat, seal. Like, see, this is what I mean by Claire Belton is so creative. Cat, owl. Oh my God, his eyes are so creepy. So this is like one of my tattoos. So yeah. Anyways, goodness, there's like so much. We have no idea. Cat. Batman. Is this Batman Squishmallow or something? He kind of looks like a Squishmallow, not to be honest. Career options for your cat. Baker, masseuse, blogger, DJ, sculpture, pianist. Sorry guys, I don't know how to read correctly. Subscribe if you can read better than me. Things that cats apparently don't mind. Yeah, I don't mind this clothes. Oh, this bed stuck in my head. Yeah, I don't mind this book. Yeah, I don't mind this thing. I don't mind this. I don't mind this nudge. Scary stories for you again. This is the best part, guys. Once upon a time, there was a food bar. It was empty. Yeah. What kind of store is that? Yeah, it's a really bad story for a cat, apparently. Once upon a time, there was a bathtub. There were cats in there, especially Pusheen and Stormy and the little ducky. Yeah. These are like really frightening stories for cats. Never tell them, or they're gonna probably scratch you for your real life cats. So don't you dare tell them. Once upon a time, there was a vacuum cleaner. The end. Yeah, Stormy and Pusheen the cat. I don't know why you're running away from him, so I'm not exploring cats, but I love cats. Cat cute. Remove kibbles from your dish before eating them. If you must barf, so don't run. Guys, should I make a part 2? Let me know. Because I think I should make a part 2 and part 3 because this is apparently a long video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications, and big thumbs up. So part 2 will be coming up soon.